Now that we've reviewed our documents, let's take a look at how to generate a project status report. This is a required document by building inspectors throughout the process. From the Site Details page, you will be able to access and download available documents using the blue bar along the top right of the screen. Completed documents become available to download in the Download Docs drop-down menu button. Incomplete documents will not be available for download and appear as grayed out. To download a PDF report that displays the status of your project, select Project Status Report from the drop-down menu, then click Download. Let's take a look at the Project Status Report. Each Project Status Report includes project summary details such as project name and address, a unique QR code to the project, current status of all project documentation. Incomplete items will display in red. Completed items will display in green. The green status means project documents are complete and meet requirements for California Energy Code compliance. That's it. Now you're able to generate your Project Status Report PDF.